This is Python Animated Optical Illusions Generator. How to create optical illusions using Python. Or let's say, how to create illusions using Python. You must have seen such animation on YouTube before. But did you know? You can create one using Python itself? The idea is to create a simple image, when overlapped with another image, and moved left to right, or right to left, it creates an animation. The first image can be obtained by taking every frame of an animation, cutting it into vertical stripes, interleaving the stripes and sticking them together. The second image is essentially a mask obtained using the same approach, starting from an animation with the same number of frames of the original one, but made with a white frame, followed by black frames. By interleaving I mean that once you have sliced the end frames, you create a first block of stripes taking stripe 0 from the first frame, then stripe 1 from the second frame, and so on so forth up to stripe n-1 from the last frame. Then you start the second block of stripes by taking stripe n from the first frame, stripe n+1 from the second frame, and so on. Finally you stitch the blocks together. Let me show you how. Let's run test 1. Here we will test creating it with font. And for that we will use Arial font. We will download using wget and rename the font to Arial.tff at the same time. Just using a single line of command. You can upload your own style of fonts if you like. Let's run test 2. Let's try to make it more clear with an example. Consider an animation with 3 frames, containing the first 3 capital letters of the alphabet suitably colored. Let's run test 3. To define the function performing the interleaving, we'll use quite a few tricks. First of all, given the width of the stripes, we generate the indexes where we want to slice the frames. Then, using numpy.hsplit, we cut every frame in a list of stripes. For example, for the first frame we get Let's run test 4. This will use the above image and strip it into first and fourth strips frame. Let's run test 5. This will stitch A, B, and C image together. Let's run test 6. We are ready to put together our tricks. Let's test it with a smaller width, that is number 7. Let's run test 7. It's easy to note that there is no overlap among frames. Since we have chose red, green and blue, we can watch at a channel at a time to check this. I guess we are done till here. So we do have an idea how this program would work. But what if we want to test it with an image? So what sort of image do we need? We need GIF image to make it work. This program will slice every frames of GIF image and use those frames to create moving animation or illusion. So, let's get down to it. Python Animated Optical Illusion Generator. Let's run test 1.1. We will download and preview our GIF image. You can try with different kind of GIF image if you like. But I am going to use, yay, you guessed it, let's run test 1.2. Testing with animation that is GIF. To produce a more interesting result, let's start from an animated GIF. We need first of all to extract the frames. Since such GIF contains too many frames and every frame has a lot of white space around the main subject, we pick a frame every 3 and crop it. Let's run test 1.3. Saving our image, and also you can adjust the width number to get thick or thin gaps of animation mask. Let's run test 1.4. The mask. Now we will generate mask using the above image as reference. As promised, generating the mask is quite easy. You just need a white and a black frames. Here it will automatically detect your size of gaps of generated image and create mask image accordingly. Let's run test 1.5. We are using pill to remove white color from mask and making it transparent PNG image. Let's run test 1.6. Preview your generated image in Google Colab. Now you have image_new.png and mask_new.png. We are using IPython to display image in Google Colab. Let's run test 1.7. Preview working animation in Google Colab. Using the same image_new.png and mask_new.png. We are using base64 to get the URI image data and using as image source URL for HTML image tag. IPython to view output in Google Colab. And PIL just to get the image width and height. Most probably we don't need width and height unless you have other ideas. Let's run test 1.8. Finally, downloading image and printing on paper and plastic sheet. You can now download your images and print it on paper. Image_new.png. Print out PNG image on paper sheet. Mask_new.png. Print out PNG image on transparent plastic sheet.